Guys, I have a new bag just arriving for you. Let's go and happy bag drop day. Hi guys, I hope you are fine. I'm super excited to have you back here on this YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm French, I'm 28 years old, but I live in Spain. And with my partner Vincent, we decided to create our own business where we sell you luxury handbags and accessories, pamluxurystore.com. And every Wednesday I do like a bag drop day where I release new bags and accessories online thanks to this YouTube channel. And Sunday videos are more like global, general, like I do unboxing, shopping vlog, showing you like the new collections, I'm commenting the new collection and everything. So I hope you will enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like my content. And yeah, I'm gonna present you now all the bags and accessories I have to sell tonight. And if you subscribe to the newsletter on the website, I will link in description. You already received the email 30 minutes ago with the new items. So let's go. The first bag I want to show you and that I received is as new. This is a Celine one. We had the dust bag. We have invoice and papers for this one, and we even had like a bag organizer. So as you can see, I'm gonna put the dust bag here. We have the Luggage Nano from Celine. This is a gorgeous little bag, and I've heard that apparently they are going to stop selling this size on the website. So now is the perfect timing to get it. So the color is called Lychee. So this is a kind of an orange pink one. Very beautiful. I like the color. The condition is as new on this bag. The only thing I would say was worn once is here on the bottom, like you can see like small sign of wear, but very small. Otherwise it's very good. We have on the inside, I have every paper. So it was bought on the website 24/7. It's a French website where you can buy anything and luxury bags, brand new from the brand. Celine papers and also the invoice. The bag was bought in 2021, so it's a very recent one. We also have, as you can see, a bag organizer. So it's very cool because it's brand new and it allows to protect the bag on the inside. So I'm just removing the dust bag here. But yeah, inside is perfect because it had like the bag organizer. And the price for this one is €1,800. I will add on the screen the US and UK price too, like in pounds and in US dollar. This way you have all the information on the screen. But when you go and connect on the website, normally you already have like the right price attached with the actual currency between like Euro, USD and everything. I hope you guys like this little cute bag. I'm gonna put the bag just here. This way you can enjoy the bag. Okay, now I'm gonna go for Hermes. I have a box for this little SLG, and we have a small card holder from Hermes. This is a bright pink one. This is very cool, and this is in chèvre misoré. So this is a very cool leather. This one was worn, it's used, like I'm not gonna lie, it's used. As you can see, it has like some little stain. You can see some sign of wear. Corners are a bit rubbed and darker. Inside way less, like way less. But this is why I have a very good price. The price is €285 for this cutie. Another bag that I just love so much is this Lady Dior large size. Very good deal. Black one called hardware here, and it's a vintage one. We had the zipper, but otherwise condition is gorgeous. We only have like some corners rubbed, but it's very little. You will be able to see on the website. You have all the photos and description. You have a link in description of this video. You can go and check. Under the bag, you have like this kind of thing that protects the bag under. You still have like some little trace of wear, but almost nothing. We are going to open it. Like the condition of this bag is actually very great. Like it's gorgeous. Inside of the bag is a red linen inside, like a red fabric. You have only few little stains, but it's very little. We have like a zipper pocket here that is in gorgeous condition, I must say. Otherwise, bag is very nice. And the price for this one is €1,590. I don't know if this bag will be still available, but it's the same price as the medium one. So we have a large one and we have the medium one. This way you can compare. and this one is a mini one. You have micro and small in the meantime, but yeah, you have the free size. They are probably still available, even the Birkin. This is my baby. But yeah, everything that you see behind me are probably still on the website, but everything else is sold out already, so go check it. I'm going to continue with this small SLG from Louis Vuitton. We have the dust bag here, and here it is. This is a keychain pouch, key holder, I would say, for keys, but you can also use it as a wallet for coins and like cards and whatever you want. This has the limited edition cherry on it. I love it. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. The condition is actually very good on this one. Inside is perfect. This is a red inside, beautiful. The hardware on this one is used, but otherwise it's perfect. Like, I just love it. To open and close it, you just go on this side, you go down and you press and you open. Press up to put it here. It's a security, but the price for this one is 260 euro. So such a good price for this type of item. I know you guys are asking me a lot for the cherry line on the bags and other small SLGs. It's very hard to find. Like, it's very hard to find because it goes so expensive. And I'm happy that we got one actually. This is very small but very nice. We have a Gucci little pouch. So this is a the canvas fabric from Gucci, and you have leather parts on this one. Very good condition for this one, except for the leather, which is like a bit used. I'm gonna try to show you closer, but otherwise it's in very, very good condition. I'm gonna show you the inside. So inside is very good. It's dark brown fabric inside. Very, very nice. We have like here the leather parts with the serial code number. Very good. Like, the outside also is nice, and the price is amazing. It's 170 euro. So it's actually a very, very good deal, and it's a perfect little pouch to go in your bags or anything. And the last bag, but not the least, is the Deauville from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas and leather parts. Condition is good, I would say. It could almost be as new, but I'm gonna explain you why. So we have like gold hardware that is like new, like you have nothing on the hardware. It's gorgeous. Even the leather parts are still like very untouched, like very not too much sun. The only thing is here you have some signs of wear on these parts. Otherwise, bag is pristine. Like, we have the dust bag for this one, very good, really impressed. We have also padlock and keys, and inside, look at this. Inside is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's leather, like linen, beige linen inside. You have different pockets that you can use. It's kind of a travel bag or an everyday bag as you want. And you have also a pocket here. The only thing about this one, because the condition is pristine, the only thing is the odor. It has like a small vintage odor. I have to mention it. I will try to work again on this odor, but it has a small odor. And this is why the price is so freaking low. It's 470 euro for this kind of bag. Normally it's way more. I will try to add on the screen like the retail price as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very, very happy that you enjoy it actually. Happy shopping, happy backdrop day again, and I will see you for another video either this Thursday or either this Sunday. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.